To practice inheritance, we will make a deluxe ice cream truck. This deluxe ice cream truck gives you one free scoop with your ice cream order. Navigate to this URL to get started. Once you see this page, fork the project to get your own editable copy. To do this, click on the project name in the top left to get a dropdown. Click on the ellipses to get another dropdown. And finally, click on the fork button. Then, I suggest placing your Skillshare and REPL.it windows side by side as shown here. You'll jump right into writing a subclass. Here's the format. We have our normal class definition, except we include the parent class in purple in parentheses, like we see here. In this example, ice is the child class and H2O is the parent class. Let's use this format for our deluxe ice cream truck now. After forking the other REPL.it, you should see the code like mine on the right. Underneath all of the existing code, we're now going to define our deluxe ice cream truck. First, create the deluxe ice cream truck class. Then subclass ice cream truck as we discussed. Type in class deluxe ice cream truck and subclass the ice cream truck with a colon. We can add pass here as a placeholder. Now you'll need to override the order method since the deluxe ice cream truck offers a free scoop with each order. This is the format for defining a method. Overriding a method doesn't take any special syntax. Simply redefine the method in the child class. Here we're going to define your order method. Delete the pass and define order. Again, you need self as the first argument and it accepts one argument, scoops. Like before, we create a new ice cream. Then we call the self.add method and pass in the number of scoops. But whoa, wait. This is exactly like before. This is your red flag. Like we've been saying, redundant code means something is wrong. How can we reuse our original order method up above? We're interested specifically in calling our parent class method. Here's how to do that. To call the parent class's method, just use the super instance. Let me show you in code now. We're going to call super.order and pass in the scoops argument. Here we'll instead of these two lines type in super.order and pass in scoops. Here, this calls the parent method order. This method returns the ice cream instance, so set that instance to a variable. Here we'll have ice cream equals super.order. Then we'll add a free scoop of ice cream without updating the number of scoops sold. Here we'll write ice cream.add1. In case you're wondering, why don't we use the ice cream truck's add method? The add method that was inherited from the parent class. However, we don't use the truck's add method because the truck's add method also updates the number of scoops sold. In this specific example, we are giving away a free scoop of ice cream and do not want to update the number of scoops sold. So that's why we have ice cream.add1. Finally, return the ice cream to the customer. One quick note. One good practice is to always invoke the parent class constructor in your own constructor. We'll do this now for other constructors now. So here, in the constructor for ice cream truck, we'll call super.init. And then we'll repeat this one more time for the ice cream class. For the last segment of this lesson, use the deluxe ice cream truck instance. We're going to click on the green button at the top to run our code. First, instantiate the deluxe ice cream truck. Here we'll have truck is equal to deluxe ice cream truck. We'll then order an ice cream with 2 scoops. Ice cream is equal to truck.order of 2. And boom, the ice cream we get back now has 3 scoops. It includes the 1 free scoop we added. We can check by writing ice cream.scoops and we have 3 scoops. We can also check how many scoops the ice cream truck has sold. Here we'll type in truck.sold and we only expect 2. And just as expected, we get 2. The truck only sold 2 scoops and the 3rd scoop was free. For a copy of these slides and the finished code for this lesson, make sure to check out the course website. This concludes the deluxe ice cream truck practice for inheritance. The next lesson is a bonus practice lesson to build familiarity with these ideas.